Hey guys, it's Treya, and today I'm going to be doing a little slime review because I wanted to upload for you guys today, and then I might upload another time this week, but maybe not, I don't know, because I'm just so busy with like school and everything, and I'm at school until 3 o'clock. That's like 7 hours of my day, so yeah, but I'm going to be doing a slime review. And all of these slimes, one of these slimes are made with Elmer's glue and a different glue, and then the rest were made with a different glue that actually made slime. I have two right here, and I will leave the name to them right here. But yeah, they're right here because I forgot them right now, so I'll just, when I'm editing, I will put them there. But yeah, these make really good slime, but they're like jiggly. They don't really like poke, except for one of them, because one of them were made with a little bit of Elmer's glue, because I wasn't sure that they would work. And then it started thickening really fast. Like I only put like a tad bit of activator in, but stop yip yapping and let's get into it. Let's go. Okay, so the first slime that is here is this white one. And this is the one that was made with Elmer's clear glue and the other one. I'll leave the name right here again just in case you didn't see it. Maybe. I'll try my best. Hopefully I don't forget. I'll probably see it when I'm watching this video again. So hopefully I don't forget, because I might edit this tomorrow. So if you're watching this right now, hi, it's Thursday. Oh my gosh, this is kind of sticky, but let's get it all out of the bag first before I start criticizing it or harassing it, whatever I'm gonna say. It's really sticky, but it's like the best slime ever. It is clear slime. I just haven't let it clear up yet because, yeah. But when I was doing this, not trying to get off topic, but there was this rose gold, right? This rose gold one, and I wanted to make slime out of it. And I was doing it. I was making the dead face, which I will also leave right here. I was making the little X-eyed emoji. That one right there. And like, because I felt like the slime wasn't gonna work, and it did. So I was like feeling dead. So yeah. But I think I'm gonna get some activator in here. Acto. Everything is slimy. Oh, it might be in my bathroom. Don't ask why. I don't know, but I saw it in there earlier, I'm pretty sure. Woo! And I'm not walking all the way over there to get it. Oh, but those ones are sticky. Okay, I'll be right back. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but clear slimes tend to be really sticky. But yeah, it's just a glitter clear slime. Well, kind of clear, not right now, but it is definitely a clear slime. I'm pretty sure I used clear glue. If I'm not lost down memory lane, I'm pretty sure I used clear glue. But here it is, a little better angle to look at it. But yeah, I will be right back with the activator, aka Stafflo. For some reason, I went out there and my mom told me that my Stafflo was under the sink because I couldn't find it. But yeah, I'm just going to put a little bit in here. I have a spoon right here, so I can just use this. It was wet, or I had glue on it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I had glue. Oh yeah, because I made slime yesterday. I made two, but I gave that one, these ones I kept, these 3 ones. And then I made a white one that I gave to my friend. But, yeah. Because I'm lit. Okay. I'm done. That probably isn't going to get the thumbnail. Probably just going to make one myself, but, just gotta try. Try. Because my video editing is terrible. so hard to like save the thumbnail sometimes because sometimes it just does not work out. So then I upload my video and then I'm like, what thumbnail is that? I made one. I'm just like, thank you very much, YouTube. Thanks for not saving my thumbnail. Never saves it. Even if I press save, it just doesn't save it. Sometimes I even do it twice just to double check and it never saves my thumbnails. Some of them are good, some of them are not, some of them are just me going like this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's put some of this on the spoon. Okay, stop saying okay. Okay. Ta-da. That may or may not have been a little too much. Alright, where's the slime towel? Okay. There's the slime towel. Moving. It makes the slime towel, my baby. Mwah. And pop. Okay, oh. I got some on my desk. Which is very dirty that I need to clean, so. Yeah. But, oh, here. Perfecto. Slime hack number 1. You can if you put your slimes in Ziploc bags, put your hand in, put your slime right there, and then fold it up. And then do it. And you're done. Okay, so the next slime is my rose gold slime that I just made yesterday, so I don't know why it's rose gold. It's definitely cleared up a lot. So it was definitely not this clear when last time I saw it. So yeah, it still's got a little bit of bubbles, but whatever. Oh, this is not slime. This is goo. It's literally water. Oh my god. This is really sticky. Not this sticky yesterday. Thanks a lot. It was the bag that did it. Thank you, bag. You're very nice to me. Slime in these bags, man. Yeah, I'm done. It's just... It's the... No. Bye-bye. Close you up later. See ya, sucker. The black one was not that sticky. Maybe it's because that one's really thin. It's not very thick slime. Yeah. The black one was a little bit thicker. Don't know why. It was. This one's way less sticky. I'm not trying to throw the rose gold one under the bus, but you wanted a bus, rose gold. Sorry. Sorry, I was zoned in. See, this one's not as sticky, obviously. It's not as dumb. Again, not throwing the other one under the bus, but honk honk, get out of my way. Like, I don't have time for you. I also don't have time to throw you under the bus. That's why I'm not doing so. But kind of am, but yeah, no, like, almost super sticky. I understand the bags, like the bag situation. It's a different glue. It's a different brand, which I left up on the screen earlier. Didn't see it zoom back. So as you can see, it doesn't really poke. It stretches and all that. It's a different brand of slime. So yeah. But yeah, if you want to see that brand, go zoom. Well, not zoom, but like go back because I had it up on the screen on my hand. I would do an instant replay, but nobody's got time for that. Instant. I'm just kidding. Just like instant. Yeah. That was my slime review. Go check out my slime shop. It's at Try Up. I'm just kidding. I don't have a slime shop. Okay. But, yeah, that was all for today, guys. Bye. Remember, you can test this glue for slime. It works, but it's not that good as Elmer's. But it's right here now. It wasn't there earlier. Like, I was going like this. Now it's not there. Bye.